Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel threaten a female on IG in the wickedest way. After the world boss make a post on him son, Little Vybz, and the girl go under the post was say a bag of things which angered the world boss. Now people, Kartel says made some threatening statements towards that female, and this is what we will talk about in this short video. But before going anything, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click subscribe, turn the post notification on, so anytime I drop my video them, you're the first set of persons who will get them. Make sure you go over Instagram, go follow me at Jamaican Drama 1. Alright, they say thing there. Now people, this how I really go down. Vybz Kartel posts a picture of his son, Little Vybz, who will be featured on the popular TV show On Stage this weekend. I guess him post him son because him want the fans them to tune in for say what go on for Little Vybz as it relates to a musical career. You see me I say? So I guess that was the aim why him post up Little Vybz. They inform the fans them already on stage this weekend. Now a particular female go under the post and she tag Vybz Kartel and she said this: I wonder how he would feel if the same faith reached him, just like what happened to Clive Lizard Williams. Old time people used to say, what goes around comes around. The university works in mysterious ways, and she have a bag of exclamation sign behind that. Now people, you know say the Gaza fans now go take kindly to the post here. And not to mention the world boss himself. So instantly, a female that goes by the name Gaza First Lady, I don't know who she, but that her name pan IG, Gaza First Lady, tag the same girl and say this: go suck your mother straight, Lizard the Cuba a hideout. What that got to do with Little Vybz? Crosses, me want to see you for spitting in your face. You see me I say, and you know the girl I go reply and respond and bad up herself also. But then Vybz Kartel chip in, and this away Vybz Kartel say, wonder how you would have feel if my son come shot you in your face in front of your mother. Now people, them the statement, they are not joke statement. You get me I say? And him also went on to say this: any boy even dream that everything in them yard dead, all the baby were born yesterday. Stop make internet fool your girl. Now people, Vybz Kartel has spoken, and this is Vybz Kartel. Now well, this a come from him official Instagram page. You get me I say? So I guess whether him have somebody on the page or not, them can publish nothing without his consent. Is me people? So nobody come say, I know Vybz Kartel do it or blah blah blah. I him do it. Now, me personally think that this is a smart move from Vybz Kartel based on his position now. But we all know who Kartel is. You get me I say, never afraid to voice him opinion, never afraid to make certain kind of statements. You see me? Now that you watch the video, you see the statement where the female make. When you see Vybz Kartel's response, I want to tell me people who wrong you so. You see me? Who went too far? Was the girl too enough, or did Vybz Kartel overstep the line? Make we know, make your own reviews in the comment section so we can discuss this. You see me I say? Once again people, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because we have a lot of videos, a lot of contents to follow this one. Big up on yourself. Go over Instagram, go follow me at Jamaican Drama 1.